Welcome to my kitchen, and today I am super excited to share with you one of my very favorite of all time recipes. This is something I eat pretty much every morning. Okay, maybe not every morning, but all of the time. My ultimate muscle protein waffles. So I use my UMP with oatmeal, eggs, all together in the waffle maker. It's absolutely crazy awesome. Okay, let me jump in with it. So I start with Old Fashioned Oats. You can use quick oats if you want, but I just get the basic kind of generic oats. They're still high in fiber and pretty awesome. So half a cup of the oats, and I put them straight into my mixing bowl. I'm gonna add some water to this, and what I like to do is go ahead and if you don't cook the oats first, they're gonna be super dry. So you don't want that. You wanna add a little bit of water, and let's see, I'll measure it this time. Usually I just splash it in. But let's go with a half a cup and see how that feels. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so half a cup, I've got my oats with the water, and I'm gonna microwave that for 1 minute. Good, so microwave that for 1 minute. Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay, so check out the waffles. Check out the oats. They are nice and soft now. Basically this, if I was just gonna eat oatmeal, I would just cook it like this. And, okay, so these are nice and cooked. From here, I'm gonna take my very favorite protein powder. And so I'm gonna do a scoop of my UMP. And today I'm using vanilla. I have honestly done this with pretty much every flavor. I love vanilla, nice and basic, just kind of regular. If you want the regular waffle kind of taste, vanilla is the way to go. If you want something a little more decadent, a little sweeter, Angel Food Cake. They're like these light, fluffy waffles, which are pretty awesome. And then chocolate. If I'm feeling a little crazy, I do my chocolate. But I put in a scoop of my UMP, and I'm gonna take some eggs. I like to do 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites, which is gonna help really kind of bind the waffles. So let's see, so 1 egg, and they never work well when you want them to. There we go. Egg white, and 2nd egg white. So the cool thing is the extra egg is going to give you even that little bit more protein, but it also helps really thicken up the waffles, gives it more of a batter kind of feel. So, and then I like to add a splash of, you can't call cinnamon a splash, a dash, there we go. I'm going to add a dash of cinnamon, and leave my spatula. Okay. So from here, you kind of have all of the ingredients mixed in here together. I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing. Sometimes I find I need a little extra water, but today, I don't think I do. Oh my gosh, it smells good already. I'm not kidding you when I say that like half of my body must be built on these waffles, because it's been my breakfast pretty much all of the time. Okay, so here's the consistency I'm looking for. When I'm doing waffles, I want it to be a little bit thicker, kind of where it can drip off like that. But so if you add too much water and they're really thin, it's going to, the waffles won't fluff up. They're just gonna be very flat. And if it's too thick, then it just won't work either. So happy middle. All right, I like to use a little bit of cooking spray on my waffle. Oh yeah, I got a new waffle maker. I'm pretty excited about this guy, because the cool part is it's got the drip edges. So when invariably, whenever the batter drips out to the side, it catches it and it doesn't go all over my counter. So I like to do a little spray, get them off, and 1 at a time. See, I've got it perfectly preheated today. Patience is paying off. So with a half a cup of oats, 1 scoop of a whole egg and 2 egg whites, I'm able to get 4 like awesome waffles out of this. Okay. So we're gonna let this cook up. This will take, gosh, maybe only a minute or so to really cook up. Oh, okay, check it out. They're starting to rise. You can tell they're coming up just a little bit. They're lifting it. If we peek, I'm gonna peek. Ooh, okay. So this is where they're starting to get golden brown. Not quite ready yet. I like them a little bit more cooked than this. So we're gonna let them go a little bit longer. So that's been only about a minute. So maybe 1 more minute, and these are gonna be so good. I'm really hungry. Okay. Okay, they're ready. Come on in, take a peek. Golden brown, fluffy waffles. So I'm just gonna break them apart, pull them to my plate. I wish you could be here to smell these. These are so good. I can barely stand it. Okay, sweet. And so from here, I would take maybe a little bit of sugar-free syrup. A little bit of sugar-free syrup, maybe a spray or 2 of, I can't believe it's not butter. I don't use this a lot. Sometimes I use these, sometimes I don't. But for only like 350, 370 calories or so, you get 30 grams of protein in 4 waffles. I mean, what a great way to start the day. All right, I hope that you try out this recipe and others. If you have some ideas for recipes, shoot those my way. But check out my Ultimate Muscle Protein at fitbuddy.com and make some waffles for your breakfast. Let me know what you think.